Jai Hind students. Now today we will discuss about the perimeter and area. Dear students, firstly we will discuss about the perimeter. The perimeter of a closed figure is the length of its boundary. Means it is the sum of all the edges. Sum of all the edges is said to be the perimeter for the closed figure. For example, suppose this is the picture which I have taken here. This is the closed circle. You can see from here, this is one side, second, third and fourth. So what should be the perimeter of this length? The addition of the length of all the edges. 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 12 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of this figure. So once again, the perimeter of a closed figure is the length of its boundary. Means sum of all the edges of the closed figure is said to be the perimeter. Now I have taken the questions from the perimeters from exercise 21.1. So please see the picture, my dear, and you should keep in your mind that perimeter means the sum of all the edges, the sum of the length of all the edges. So please see here, this is the triangle which had the edge 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So what should be the perimeter? 10 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 24 centimeter. Similarly, for this triangle, here all the edge length are equal. This it means the symbol of this one, it means all the edge length are equal, which is 5 centimeter. So what is the edge length, my dear? Sorry, perimeter. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15 centimeter. This is the perimeter of this triangle. Now see, for this figure you have to tell the perimeter. Dear students, firstly see here, this is 6 centimeter. So 6. Now 5 centimeter. So up to this length it will be 5 centimeter. This both length are equal. It means this length up to here it is 5 centimeter. After that, this length is also 5 centimeter. Why? Because this is 5 centimeter and according to the figure, this sign indicate that this is also 5 centimeter and it is 5 centimeter. So these both are equal, it means this is also 5 centimeter. So what is the length, my dear? What is the perimeter? 6, 6, 5, 5. This is 5, 5, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Now 5 plus 5, this 5 and this 5, 10, and this 5 is the, so total perimeter of this figure means the perimeter of this figure is 32. Okay students, now once again I am repeating same thing. Perimeter means it is the sum of all the edge length of the closed figure. Okay, so please see this one, this is the square, my dear. The edge length is 4 centimeter, all the edge length are same. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 16 centimeter. I will give the formula to find out the perimeter for the rectangle, for the square. So please wait for that. Firstly, in simple way, I want to give the explanation or questions, that is exercise from the perimeter. Now this is the rectangle, 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So this 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, it is also 5 centimeter. This both are equal, and this one and this one are equal. So 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 16 meter. Next one, perimeter. For this given picture, you have to add all the edge length. So please tell. 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9 is equal to 24 centimeter. Very simple it is, na? Now question number 2. Find the perimeter of the square with side length 18 meter. Dear students, for the square, all the edge length of the square, means all the edge length are equal. Okay, and here edge length is given 18 meter. Since all the edge length are equal, it means this is 18 meter, and here also it is 18 meter. So total how much? 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18 is equal to 72 meter. Okay. Now please see some formula related to the perimeter for the rectangle, for the square. Okay. So this is the perimeter of the rectangle. Dear students, rectangle means for the rectangle two edge length are equal. See, opposite side edge length are the equal, means this one and this one are equal. So if it is B, then also it is B. It is L, so it is also L. So for the perimeter of the rectangle, 2 times length, 2 times breadth. It means 2L plus B. This is the formula. Okay, my dears, very simple concept it is. You should note these all formula in your classroom copy, in your notes to solve the question. Similarly, for the square, you have learned that as all the edge length are equal. So if any edge length is given, suppose it is A, it means all the edge length are A. So A plus A plus A plus A, that is 4 times length A. So 4 into L. Perimeter of a triangle. For the triangle, suppose the edge length are equal. Suppose for the given triangle, edge length are equal. Means AB, BC, CA are equal, which is A. So what happened? 3A. Means 3 into length of the side of the triangle which have all the edge length equal. So if bond angle will be 60 degree for all the angle, then bond angle, then edge length will be also same. So what is the formula? 3 into A. Okay students, so please do the practice from this topic. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.